Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this motif. I'm gonna use 100% cotton yarn from Yarn Art Lily. We'll start with slip knot and a chain of 10. We'll join our chain of 10 with a slip stitch. Round 1. Chain of 3. And 23 double crochet in our circle. Yarn over. And we'll continue with 20 more double crochet in a circle. We have 23 double crochet in a circle and a chain of 3. And now we can join with a slip stitch our round 1. We're gonna go in a space between chain of 1 and the first double crochet. Grab a yarn and pull it through our loop. Round 2, chain of 7 and 23 quadruple crochet in every stitch that we have around. We go in 3 times with our yarn over the hook and going in the next stitch. Now we have 5 loops on our hook and we'll crochet them in pairs. Chain of 2 and another quadruple crochet in the next stitch. Chain of 2 and we'll continue as this pattern all around. Round number 2 is done and we have 23 quadruple crochet around, chain of 2 between them, and the first we have a chain of 7. We join our round number 2 with a slip stitch. We'll find chain number 5 and we'll join our round with a slip stitch. Round number 3. We have to start this round from this point right here. For that, we're just gonna do another slip stitch. We'll go in this space, grab yarn, and finish our slip stitch. Now we can start round 3. Chain of 5 and single crochet in this space over here in the chain of 2 from previous round. Chain of 5 again and single crochet in the next space here in the next chain of 2 from previous round. And we'll continue with this pattern all around our circle. Round 3 was almost done. We have a 23 repetition done and we'll join the round in the next way. Chain of 2 and 1 double crochet. Yarn over and we're gonna find our joining stitch over here and we'll do our double crochet in this space. Round number 4, chain of 5 and 1 single crochet in this space over here in chain from previous round. Again, chain of 5 and 1 single crochet in the next space over here in the chain of 5 from previous round. We'll continue with this pattern all around. We repeated pattern 23 times and we're gonna join our round number 4 in the next way. Chain of 1 and 1 triple crochet. Yarn over twice and we're gonna go in the beginning of our round number 4. Round number 5, chain of 4 and 2 half triple crochets. So yarn over twice, going in this space over here, and we're gonna finish our triple crochet but gonna leave it like that. We'll go for another one, yarn over twice, and we're gonna go in the same space right here. And now we're gonna finish our triple crochet and we'll crochet 3 loops together. Chain of 5 and we're gonna go for the next space here for the chain of 5 from previous round, and we'll crochet 1 single crochet. Chain of 5 again and we'll crochet 3 half of triple crochet in this space over here. Yarn over twice, we'll go in this space, grab a yarn, we're gonna leave it like that. We're gonna go for another one in the same space. We're gonna leave this triple crochet like that as well. We're gonna go for the third one in the same space. Now we'll crochet these 3 triple crochet together. We have 2 loops on our hook and we'll crochet them again. Chain of 5 and we're gonna go in this chain of 5 from previous round and we'll join it with single crochet. And we'll repeat this pattern all around. At the end of round 5 you'll have 12 repetitions and 12 medium motifs. To join the round we're gonna make a chain of 5 and we're gonna make a slip stitch right here. Round number 6, chain of 10 and single crochet in this stitch right here, right in the middle. And again, chain of 10 and single crochet in this space over here in this stitch. As you can see, we have a little space here. And we'll continue with chain of 10 and single crochet right here in the middle all around. To join our round, we're gonna make a slip stitch in this stitch over here. At the end of round 6, you'll have 12 repetitions made. Round number 7, and it's going to be the last round. Chain of 7. And 4 triple crochets in the chain of 10 from previous round. Yarn over towards the hook. Go in this chain of 10. But we're gonna leave it like that, not finished. We're gonna go for next one. Another one. And fourth one. Now we're gonna crochet 4 loops together. And then we'll crochet 2 loops together. Chain of 7. And 1 single crochet in this space right here. We'll continue with this motif all around. We are almost done with our motif, and we'll join round 7 with a slip stitch. And we're gonna go right here in this stitch. At the end, we'll have 12 mini motifs around. If you were making only one motif, it's time to cut the yarn and tie it at the end of the yarn tail. But if you were making tablecloth, for example, you can use this end of the yarn and continue with motifs. Don't worry if your motif looks a little wrinkly, like mine here. After you steam it, it's gonna look different. This one is already steamed motif. And this one as well. I've made a tablecloth with this pattern. I've been using yarn in a white color. Feel it is cozy, but not number 12, number 10. Individually, you can use this pattern as a coaster. I've been using mine as a coaster, and this one gonna be as well.